and seen, you've officially navigated the ins and outs of teams for WooCommerce memberships. Give yourself a pat on the back. You've leveled up your membership game significantly. No more spreadsheet juggling for group access, right? Let's do a quick rewind. We started with the basics, what teams are, who the owners, managers, and members are, and got those crucial initial settings dialed in. Then, we dove into crafting those special team membership products, understanding the vital difference between per member and per team pricing, that we saw the smooth checkout flow for customers creating their teams, and mastered the art of inviting and managing members, whether by link or email. We peeked behind the curtain at the admin controls, learning how you can oversee everything. And finally, we tackled the powerful integration with WooCommerce subscriptions, demystifying sync behaviors and billing adjustments So, what's the bottom line? Teams for WooCommerce memberships transforms how you handle group access. It empowers your customers to manage their own groups, saving you precious time, and opens up fantastic opportunities to sell memberships in bulk to companies, families, organizations, or any group needing shared access. It's about working smarter, not harder. You now have the complete toolkit to implement and manage powerful team-based memberships on your site. Go put this knowledge into practice and start building those communities. Thanks so much for joining me on this journey.